Hi mga higala, welcome back to my channel. And today mga higala, muadto ta og Bisbay or Apple. Kung unsa ato ang makuha dito. Tanaw-tanaw ra gud ta. Banimi mga higala, tara mga higala. Ako may mag-drive mga higala, so ato lang videohan ang kalsada. Okay mga higala, let's go. Okay guys, we here now guys. Look at the RJs there. Ito ang Farmington. Money siya guys, Farmington. This is RJ. Look at the mountain, RJ. Punta tayo sa Apple Store, mga higala. Okay, let's go. Where is the people? Okay, we're here. Mayroong music dito mga higala. Copyright ta. Is RJ. Gan. Nindot kay diya mga higala oh. Have ice skating there, RJ? RJ have ice skating. Oh, have Christmas tree. Look. It's nice. There is Apple. There's RJ. At this. Wow, look at that. Apple Watch. Look at that, they're very nice. Oh, so cool, Arjun. Look. Here's Ultra. Wow. Okay, mga higala, magtanaw sa amin mga higala.
Yeah, GPS is just standard. That's what they all come with. It's just whether or not you want to add cellular on for an extra 100. Okay, sounds good. This color.
Yes.
And then this band too.
Is that silver?
This is Starlight. This
Starlight.
One would be silver.
Yeah,
So
Starlight.
Starlight's just like a little bit of a gold.
Like Starlight with the black?
Yeah.
And this band as well?
Yes.
Okay.
That's $250.
So these bands, let's see. This band size is a medium large. Does this work for you? Or do you want a band size small medium?
I not know it.
That's the orange.
Thank you, honey pie. I have Apple Watch now. Here is.
I'll walk over for a second.
Okay, we go. Okay, let's go. I have Apple Watch now, guys. Mga higala. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
Okay, we go here. Here we go here. Walk, walk. Oh my god, I have sounds here. Copyright. What na?
Bird got a net.
Yeah. Here is a skiing here. Oh, what's that there? The rolls here. Look at this here. Oh, a bumper. Yeah. Nagdaag sa mi diri mga higala. Yan no. Yan mga higala oh. Nice. Have a fireplace there. You can sit down in there. In here. Here you go. Look at that. RJ. Here's nice here. I look at here, RJ. It's so cold. Oh my goodness. Have a cinema there. Movie theater and have light. Oh, Christmas tree. It is. Here. Look at it. Thumbnails. Oh, thumbnails. Oh, grabe. Oh, steaming. Nice fountain. Look at the. Ganda dito mga higala, mag-date. Yup. Look at this. Take me video. Go there. Hello. You're here. Now take me video. Hello. Here is. And have snow here, not yet melting. This is so clear water. Look at the water, RJ. What that there? But here, RJ. Okay. Have no fountain now here. Yeah. Okay, we go. Here, the slide is maybe slippery, RJ. Oh, look at this. Take picture here, RJ. Nice. Look at that. I'm shaking. Look at this car. RJ drive young. House party.
Yeah, this is where we're gonna go for our
What?
field trip.
Field trip? You've been here? Really?
No, this isn't where we had our field trip.
Oh.
Field trip was like in Provo.
Provo. It's not there. Look at this. Nice. RJ, take me picture. Look at this Christmas tree. Kay mga higala adto na tag Bisbay. Let's go, Daddy and RJ. So ready. There is Daddy and RJ. Kay mga higala. Og hapit sa mi sa Harmons mga higala kay magpalit mi gamay grocery mga higala. Oh, look at that truck. the heck is Harmons? There is okay. There is Daddy.
Follow me.
Okay, we go. Hey guys, dito na kami sa loob. What's that, RJ? Okay, kami na. Wait, Kopan? Sa Kopan? Salsa? Okay. Ano, Daddy, where's now? We tell Daddy, RJ, that we go here.
Go, Dad, let's go.
Okay, we go. We go here. You have no bread on it? Yeah. We go here. We go here. Just looking around mga higala. What I can find. Here is Bisayang. Here is. We go inside looking for computer. If have or not. Hurrah! Let's go inside mga higala. Oh, flip. That you want our daddy. Flip. Wow, 999.
That's it.
There's like a bend in there.
Yep, you feel it.
Yeah. It's no good. Put in your pocket.
Apple from home is about 5 years.
There you go.
Ooh, that watch is weird.
There is. This computer gaming the It's a gaming computer.
See this?
How much? $799.
Biggest I have is a 16-inch out.
And 15.6.
What about the
Seems we have any 17.
1 terabyte?
We can
$799.
get you a 1 terabyte.
Iris.
Terabyte on hand is
Yeah.
this one. Well, at least on display, I should say.
There we go inside mga higala. Go. There is $19 GoPro 8 battery, rechargeable battery. There is $20. My goodness. So mga higala, wala kaming nakita na laptop computer nga the same sa Amazon. $769 and dire kay mahal kaayo, 1,000 plus. So ang akong nakuha kanina lang battery. Sa GoPro 8 na ako kay naguba ng battery. Ibota na mga higalang battery sa akong GoPro kay dugay na kayo. Okay, higala. Battery ra ang aming na palit mga higala o mamaoli na mi. Naan na mi sa gawas. Kay gabi na, school pa RJ tomorrow. Okay, that's it for now mga higala. There's RJ and Daddy. They go to the Habit for dinner. Ipanggutom nagnilaag. Yan, ito oh. The hotel. Nice hotel. Bilin ra ko diri mga higala kay it's so cold outside. Okay mga higala, og dinhi na lang takotob kay gabi na og mag-drive pa ko mga higala. Layo pag yung drive na ko mga higala paingon sa balay. So I hope you enjoy it and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye. Peace.